Hey everybody, it's me, Spider-Cat here with another part. It's kind of part 2 to my other tutorial world video. Right now we're going to be building the insides to our B-24 bomber. So yeah. Let's get rid of our inventory and get all the supplies we're going to be needing. And yeah, and then you, and then you, and then you, and then put. Okay. Let's take these things. And then the final one, this one. Okay, we can go now. Let's get out of here. Okay, let's go over to this thingy. And be inside. So, once you're inside here, let me see. You wanna just stop pressing that. Yep, there we go. Nope. Go 1. Game mode 1. Boom. Okay, then first you wanna fill the inside with carpet. Right here. And then you come to the front, go back 2, and you want to get some concrete. You want to go back 2, I think, and then put 2 like right there and right there. And take some slabs, stone brick slabs, and put them right here for like an ammo rack for like the 2 guns right there. It's a periscope. Yeah. And once you're done with that, you want to put item frames there, and then disc. I want to take stall or just this disc right there, and for the steering wheel, yeah. And then you want to go down and put a thing there. I mean, a birchwood plank block there, then put a lever facing that way, and that way. And then, once you're done with that, maybe right here, I'll put a thing there. Then, you will put, let me see what I gotta do. So, do this, and I'll go, sorry. Wait, what did I just pick up? I'm gonna go in here and see how I did this. Oh yeah, I could also need some. Oh yeah. I see. So, okay, let's go here, and I'm just literally destroying everything. That's not good. So then you want to go bring your things up here and stuff, and then I'm gonna bring them up to there, and then take your birchwood door and place it facing the chair where it's like touching, it's right there touching, and then for like there. And then you would like to take your trapdoor, wooden trapdoor, and then make it face down, and that stuff happens. And then you go put this bottom stuff down. And let's just do that. I'm gonna get a drink because I'm thirsty. Okay. Okay, hey. Layla. Why does it already say 404? Oh, sorry. No. Okay, there it goes. Much better. Okay. Then once you're done, you would gladly take your quartz slabs and put them like that. Do that. So you can go walk down to the front area. So, once you've gotten down to here, I think you place a seat down like there. No, not there, like there, like that. You do that where it's like a thingy. Let's do this where it's then you would like surround it in this cage. Then you like surround it in iron bars for like a circle rotating thing. And then it's gonna go put a thing right there so you can stand up there. So like you can stand. Let's turn the volume up. It's like there, so you can like stand and like pew 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 and do that stuff. And then let me just check. I'm just breaking holes straight through this plane. Bounce you. Wait, you don't bounce on the pillow? Boop. Okay, I guess you do bounce on the pillow, but okay, never mind. You go 2 down, but I like the other way I did it, so okay. So once you've done that, let's just break the hole. Once you've done there, that rain has no idea what it's doing. So once you're here, you want to make these have a wall here, and do this like that. Boom. And then you're gonna have the bomb area. And so this is gonna have from right at that edge, you're gonna go 3 across, then 4 up, or 2 across, then 4 up. And then right here, you're just gonna cover the rest, right, all of this here with like this stuff. Actually, no. You're gonna cover all of this with gray rug, and then you cover all of this with concrete slab. Okay, once you're done with that, you're gonna go join your bomb rack and go 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then I go over here and they're gonna go 1, 2, and then I go 1, 2 right there. 2, I can go right there. Then you're gonna go put your things right there. And put these things right there. And you're going to take your anvil and put them right there for the little whistling thingy. And put them right there. And put your iron bars right there on top. And then make another rack of bombs. And yeah. a bomb. And then put anvils on top of those. And yeah. Oh yeah, cover this floor with concrete because that's what you're supposed to do. And I like following the rules because it's fun to follow the rules. So you're basically done. Or you can put an anvil right there, and then one right there for the gun part that you shoot. And that's really it. So yeah.